I want to quickly talk to you about how to create a website on Canva this year, okay? So this will be a step-by-step guide to help you create a website on Canva real fast. So let me give you the trends first. The thing is that when you think about Canva, you don't really think about a website builder to start with because this platform used to be, when this started a couple of years ago, they were really good in terms of giving you templates, all kinds of templates. But in the last few years, especially during COVID, they actually revamped their business model big time. Okay, so what happens here is that basically you want to really think about Canva when it comes to website building, especially because they have very nice and sleek templates. So in a landscape filled with website builders like Wix and WordPress and Shopify and WooCommerce and BigCommerce and Squarespace, Canva offers a design-centric approach to website creation. So if you think about Canva, think about a design-centric approach to website creation. Okay, Canva grants you as a user complete control over the visual aspects of your website, allowing you to turn any Canva design, no matter how intricate, into a fully operational website. So that's really cool. And if you know Canva, they have pretty slick templates, big time. And the good thing is that with Canva, you're not really limited to traditional design elements, okay? Whether it's videos, icons, images, or text designs, Canva lets you seamlessly integrate these components into a visually striking website. Moreover, you can create captivating mockups of your website directly within the Canva editor. So that's really good. The thing is that if you were to compare and contrast this to Wix, for instance, you don't have the same level of autonomy. No, you don't. So with Canva, you have more flexibility. Okay, that's important. Now, one thing I want you to really understand here is that with Canva, you may not have you have flexibility, but it's not as fast. Okay, that's the thing. Canva actually, unless you are artistically inclined, unless you do have some kind of creative bone within you, you might actually have a steep learning curve, at least at the beginning. But once you get a hang of it, things go a lot faster. So that's really good. So if you want to make a website with Canva this year, here are the steps I want you to really pay attention to. First of all, you want to set up your Canva account. You got to have an account, otherwise you can't really do anything, right? That just makes sense. So basically, the cool thing is you don't have to pay for stuff. Okay, you can sign up for a free account on Canva. The beauty of Canva lies in its straightforward and versatile features, making it an ideal choice for you if you're brand new to web design, or if you seek a quick, visually appealing page. Now, while Canva may not replace dedicated website builders, it offers a cost-effective solution for you if you're just starting out. So, well, basically, if you are looking for something sophisticated, go with another player. Don't go with Canva. Go with Webflow. Okay, for instance, go with WordPress. Canva is more for the beginners. So number one, you want to set up your Canva account. Step number two, you want to explore Canva templates because everything in Canva works with templates. So after signing in, you want to navigate to the projects section and click on Create Design. Type websites in the search bar and select a template that actually suits your needs. Okay. Canva provides various templates for different types of websites. So depending on your niche, depending on your industry, Canva will give you a template. So you want to choose a template that aligns with your vision and you want to click to open it in a new tab. So that's really good because it gives you more flexibility. Now on the Canva homepage, you want to search for websites and add more specific qualifiers to hone your search to more relevant templates. So anything with a crown on it is for pro users. Remember that Canva does have a free user page, if you will. So anything with that is available to everyone free. So once you find one that resonates, click on it and it will open in a new tab. And the cool thing is you can customize every element to make it truly unique. Canva Pro users can use Brand Kit to make a template on brand in a few clicks. So that's kind of cool. I mean, it does pay to actually pay for stuff, but hey, listen, if your budget is kind of limited right now, you can go with a free option too. And so one thing I want to say here is that if you're a Canva Pro user, you can use Brand Kit to make a template on brand in a few clicks. If you don't have Canva Pro, go to the Styles tab and check out the color palettes. Click on one and then keep clicking and watch as it really automatically shuffles the colors on the website. Okay, that's really fantastic, and you can quickly and easily create website mockups. Okay, to visually explain your ideas and evaluate how you could improve your website's final look. The next thing you want to do here is you want to customize your website. So Canva's template offers many sections and elements. That's really good, but you want to really you want to really make the website your own, right? You want to make it bespoke, so you want to customize stuff. So you want to explore the available options and customize every section to fit your content. You can easily modify text, images, and colors to match your brand or personal style, depending on the kind of image you want to portray to the public. So Canva's drag and drop interface allows you to add and rearrange elements easily. So once you choose a template, its components load into the Canva editor. For multi-page templates, you want to click Apply All X Pages on the left sidebar to load all pages. Okay, you want to add or exclude specific pages by clicking the plus Add Page button and selecting pages on the left sidebar. And you want to resize pages by dragging the nodes on the edges to your preferred size. Customize every section, edit text, and adjust visuals until you are satisfied with the overall structure. Step number 4, you want to add and edit new components. This is really important if you are trying to really sort of finalize like your website. Okay, so Canva allows you to incorporate various components into your websites, from text and images to videos. So you want to edit text components by clicking, typing new text, and resizing as needed. You can also replace or upload images by clicking on them, deleting them, and choosing new ones from Uploads or Canva's gallery. That's kind of cool. And you can also add icons or videos using the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Now, step number 5, you want to add links and external resources. Okay. Now, Canva really does a great job in terms of simplifying the process of embedding videos for you. So you can drag and drop your videos, resize it, and position it accordingly. So whether it is an uploaded video or a YouTube link, Canva seamlessly integrates it into your page. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Just make sure that the YouTube channel is still open. Otherwise, you will have a broken link on your Canva website. So to add a link, you want to right click on a component, select link, then enter the URL. You are also able to embed external content like YouTube videos, okay, using the Canva magic menu. So let's talk about adding hyperlinks and buttons to your website. So one of the best ways to make your Canva website, an effective tool is to ensure your customers know what you want them to do on each page. That means what? It means you need to have a clear CTA on each page, a CTA call to action. So on the home page, for instance, that may be to learn more about your brand or products, to shop now, or make a reservation. So the clearer the call to action, the easier it is for customers to know what to do. And that's what you want. So buttons are a great way to make calls of actions stand out. You can fully customize buttons to match your brand aesthetic and make it clickable with a hyperlink. You can also create a simple button by adding a rectangle and text into the middle, or search the Elements tab for a specific button. For example, sign up, okay? So to create a hyperlink, you want to highlight the words or click on the element you want to hyperlink from. In this instance, a button. Then you want to click the chain icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then you can add an external URL or link it to another page on your website. The next thing is you want to really think about the finishing touches, okay? So after incorporating all necessary components, refine your website with some finishing touches. So you want to right click on edit images to apply colors to page for a seamless blending. You also want to preview your website using the preview button to ensure it looks as intended. You want to check mobile compatibility by clicking the smartphone icon in the preview screen. So that's really cool. And you are also able to test your website design on various devices. So if you want to check out how your website design will look on different devices, go to the top right preview button. Click on this to see how it's looking and test out any links that you have added, okay? There are options to see what it looks like on different devices. So as a general rule, it's actually best to design mobile first. That means design your website to look best on mobile because that's how most people are likely to view your website these days. So step number 7, if you are thinking about making a website on Canva, with Canva, that is, you want to publish your website. So after testing your website design on different devices to make sure it is responsibly designed, you want to publish your website. So if you're satisfied with your design, it's time to publish your Canva website, okay? So click publish in the top right corner of the Canva editor. Choose a suitable domain option. So example, free domain on the right side. I don't really advise you to have a free domain, okay? But hey, listen, if that's what you want, you can go ahead and choose it. You want to click continue to edit your site URL, browser tab, preview title, and description. Finally, hit publish to make your Canva website live. So when it comes to publishing your website, you have to understand that in the top right corner, you will see a publish website button. Now you can look for suggestions using Canva's domain name search tool and choose either a free domain or use an existing domain. Now, if you go free, you will get a URL which you can and should customize. And in the site description, you can describe your website in 160 characters or less, okay? That's something that you need to remember. And you can create a concise and compelling summary of the page here and use any keywords that people might use to search for your business. And this will help search engines index and rank your website for that keyword. And you can also click this checkbox to hide your site from search engines. Super handy if you don't want to just share with let's just say with specific people for feedback or suggestions from your team or clients. Okay, so and you can give it even more security here by restricting access via a password. So you do have options. So let me give you a few pro tips here. So what are some pro tips for enhancing your website, your Canva website? First thing first, you want to utilize Canva's Brand Hub, okay? While Canva offers a robust set of features in its free version, upgrading to Canva Pro unlocks additional benefits. So the Brand Hub feature in particular allows you to define and maintain actually your brand's colors, fonts, and styles. This ensures consistency across all your designs, including your website. So consider the value of Canva Pro to your website creation process and overall branding efforts. Also, think about adding functionality. So Canva allows easy integration of external tools like Calendly to schedule appointments. Think about animating elements. So you want to enhance your landing page with animations. Canva allows you to animate text and other elements with a few clicks, adding a dynamic touch to your design. You also have Canva AI writing, so you can leverage the magic of Canva AI to seamlessly to write content for your website. Choose a headline, click continue writing, and watch as Canva extends it into a polished paragraph. Now customize fonts and styles to match your design and emphasizing the importance of a well-crafted website. You want to set clear calls to action easily, linking them to your preferred platform. So that's kind of cool. You also have the ability to track conversions. So using the Canva's Insights feature to track user engagement and conversions, you can monitor how visitors interact with your page, analyze traffic sources, and gauge the effectiveness of your call to action buttons. Also, you have creating a multilingual website so you can enhance user experience for a global audience by duplicating and translating pages on Canva. So you can maintain consistent design across language versions and consider also cultural nuances during translation. So that's really fantastic. You also have customizing. You also have the possibility to customize the favor icon and title. So elevate professionalism by customizing your website's icon and page title in Canva. And you want to choose an influential icon that aligns with your brand and optimize the title and description for SEO. So, in terms of editing after publishing, you can enjoy the flexibility of editing your site post publishing. That's the good thing. Some websites, once you publish them, you cannot really edit them post publication, but Canva allows you to do any kind of tweaking that you want. Okay. So, whether making minor tweaks or substantial updates, seamlessly access the editing option to refine your site over time. So that's really cool. You also have optimization for SEO, so you can boost your website's visibility on search engines with Canva's SEO features. Okay, you can add meta tags and descriptions to increase the chances of discovery by relevant audiences. You can implement basic SEO practices for improved search rankings. And you also have troubleshooting and design tips. So that's really, really cool. So let me give you a few extras here. If you think about making a website with Canva, you have to understand that Canva actually stands out for its design-centric approach to website creation. Okay, that's really the big element to consider when you are thinking about Canva this year. Basically, with Canva, you have complete control over visual aspects. Canva allows you to turn intricate designs into fully operational websites, seamlessly integrating various elements like videos, icons, images, and text. And you can really preview and publish your websites directly on Canva. Okay, basically, once your design is complete, you just want to click preview to see how your page looks on desktop and mobile devices. I think I've said this to you before that you want to really do mobile design first and then desktop later on. So Canva's publish website feature allows you to publish your site on a free domain hosted by Canva. Alternatively, you can purchase a domain for a more professional touch. And I would suggest that if you are willing to go with Canva, to actually go with Canva Pro, because Canva Pro offers additional benefits, including the Brand Hub feature, which allows you to define and maintain your brand's colors, fonts, and styles for consistency across all designs, including your website. So consider the value of Canva Pro to your website creation process and overall branding efforts. So that's really important. And you are able to rely on Canva for handling functionality on your website. Okay, that's an important element. So Canva, you can easily embed videos by dragging and dropping. Actually, this you can adjust the size and you can integrate actually external tools like Calendly for scheduling appointments. And you can also track user engagement and conversions on your Canva built website. So that's really fantastic. So long story short, if you think about Canva this year for your website build for your website publication, fantastic. Okay, creating a website with Canva offers you a streamlined and efficient process. Okay, to create a website for your individual project, for your business, for your organization. It has a user-friendly interface. It has design elements. It has integration capabilities. Okay, so bottom line is you have a cost-effective solution for creating visually appealing and functional landing pages. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva's features empower you to showcase your brand effectively online. I think that, like I said throughout this conversation, Canva is more for beginners. Okay, if you're looking for a tool for advanced users, go for Webflow, go for WordPress. So that's important. So as a coder, in today's conversation, I spoke to you about how to make a website with Canva. And I gave you the trains, the steps, the pro tips, the extras, and now the coda. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.